Hey y'all, welcome to Aroma Botanica. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So I want to show you the magical properties of lavender. So lavender is a flower of friendship and harmony. And while lavender is often included in love spells, it can help strengthen the bonds of friendship. So do remember that. It can be for platonic friendship. And it's used to help with sleep and rest. And it's also helpful in centering the mind for scrying. So if you're into scrying, consider either drinking some lavender tea before you scry or burning it as an incense. That'll help. Some people wear lavender to attract a new man into their life or as a protection from a cruel spouse. And it's often used in healing mixtures. Again, like tinctures or teas, and it can help in seeing spirits or communing with the spirits. And it's a powerful ingredient used in purification baths. And you can get it at www.aromagees.com or visit us in person at 223 Donaldson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. Thanks for visiting.